Good morning. So I'm up here on Angeles Crest, and I came up here specifically to discuss and demonstrate the transmission tune from ModUnLock. You know, Matt has brought a product to the market for not only Polestar owners, but the R-Design guys and even the stock T6 guys that's going to improve the behavior and the performance of the transmission. And I welcome this product because we're always looking for a little bit of an upgrade, right? And I talked with Rika, and Rika didn't feel like they really had anything to offer the Polestar owners, but Matt has looked into it and he saw opportunities and created a product to address that. And so, you know, evaluations, they're subjective, right? But I'll share with you what my impressions are. And I think if you'll try it, you're going to be impressed. So Matt, just to give you an overview, Matt has explained to me that he's basically enhanced the performance of the tune and the transmission across drive, sport, and paddle. And each one is like incrementally better, right? So you're going to feel it in drive, you're going to feel it in sport, and you're going to feel it even more in paddle. He has modified the torque delete. Didn't say he completely eliminated, but he modified it, which might be a good thing, right? So it's more aggressive. And then he explained that there's a symbiotic relationship between the ECU tune and the transmission tune because the transmission is reacting to RPM and torque that's coming out of the engine. But you're can expect faster up and down shifts and so forth. The three things that I feel like I noticed right away, the first one was the downshifts are basically instantaneous, which is handy, especially on the track. Boom, 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 boom. You know, you're coming into a corner, you want to not go down, ding, ding, ding. Secondly, I felt the upshifts were a little faster. The thing though that this third takeaway, which I really like, is that a grip, or what I call how aggressively the clutches are engaging, is enhanced for sure with the tune. Now I have the level 10 high pressure valve body, so that's part of my result, but I can see a difference with the tune over what I had, and I was already running that. So what I'm going to do is just do a short segment right here on a road that I really like. Oh shoot, I get bad luck on this because I'm just getting ready to pull out and here comes a car. So I got to let this car go by. So I think for all of us, you know, we're just trying to find ways to enhance things. And this is definitely one of those. It's an enhancement. And I mentioned I might be biased because I really feel positively about Matt's products. And then secondly, you know, you spend money for something and you're like, yeah, I got something for it, right? So I'll talk through a couple of shifts here. I also have the car. I'm going to be in paddle. I'm going into first gear. I've got ESC turned off, and Matt's also got a tune for that. And I'm telling you guys, this is revolutionary. And I'll do a separate video on that. So, okay, I'll just talk a little bit. We'll wind this up so it doesn't get too long. Okay, here we go. First gear, second gear, bam, really nice. Now I'm going to go into third. This is a third gear turn. Nice little sweeper here. I like to do it in third. And I'm only going to do 7/10 up here. I mean, it's ridiculous. It's also, I've kind of lost a little bit of the morning, so always got to be conservative. But come around the corner here, and I'll get a chance to shift up to 4. Right here, 4. Right, smooth, super smooth, good quick reaction to the paddle input. And then I'll be able to downshift one here too. So we're going along 3,000 RPM in fourth gear, coming into a corner, downshift. Right there. If you hope you can hear it coming around here. So yeah, so downshifts instantaneous, upshifts better, and even more importantly, a really good, firm, aggressive engagement of the clutches. And that's really a nice benefit. On this corner here, it's a descending radius corner, and I like to come in here at the very end and clip this part right here, coming out of it. I'll get another shift. 4, right, instantaneous. Very good. And then right here, downshift. Yep, instantaneous. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it.